Good morning. Hi, Sammy. My hook fell down that holds my tray, so I gotta fix that. But first we're gonna have, hi Sammy, we're gonna have breakfast. And yesterday Dubs and I went out to eat and a lot of leftovers. So today is gonna be eat leftovers day. For breakfast, I'm gonna have some, let me back up. So I ordered a salmon piccata. All their sides, I got a side salad and that's really all I wanted. And the other sides, I was like, I don't really want your sides. But I was thinking, ooh, what could I have for breakfast in the morning? So I got Spanish rice with my cod, knowing that I was gonna bring it home. And so I thought I'll make a egg and Spanish rice burrito. Then I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and make some fried taters to go with that. So that's what's for breakfast. Isn't that cool, a little waterfall? This is a moving little river that goes around. It's not heated though. The pool's heated. There's a swimming pool. Might have to come out here tomorrow. Come get in the jacuzzi tomorrow. The water on the little waterfall on that fence. Wave! Alright, I'm back and now I'm gonna eat some dinner. And Sammy, anytime I start talking, you gotta talk too. Yeah, I know. I'm charging my Blue Eddie. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Hey, baby. I know. Shh. Hi. We're gonna eat dinner, okay? She says, yeah, it's about time for you to give me something too, huh? Let me show you the leftovers that I'm having. My leftovers from yesterday, what I'm having today. All right, this is the salmon piccata. It's got capers and some kind of white sauce. It's really good. I still have leftover Spanish rice, and these were mashed potatoes that I got on the side. It's supposed to come with gravy. I don't know why they didn't give me gravy, but I didn't ask for it. And then Dubs ordered this macaroni and cheese, and oh my gosh, it was so good. And we had this left over, and it was a big helping. So this is my dinner tonight. Salmon, some macaroni and cheese, and I might not even eat this. I might eat that, make a potato cake out of it in the morning for breakfast. Put an egg on top. We shall see. I broke up the salmon, added a little bit more capers and a little caper juice. Oh, and some half and half to give it a little bit more sauce. I figured this would be the best way to warm up the salmon. And then I'll throw in the macaroni and cheese after this. Alright, I brought the macaroni and cheese back to life. Had to add some half and half to it too. Got it a little watery, little runny. That's alright. It'll just run into my salmon. Yeah. Cheesy, homemade macaroni and cheese. Alright, there's my salmon. Let's eat. That's leftovers. I can't believe how much food we had. It's like, wow. Alright, let's sit down and eat.